We have here Theorem 1 for integers exponent. So, ano nga ba yung Theorem 1? Ito lang po yun. Itong nasa loob ng pink. So, we have here a raised to n times a raised to m. So, yung a natin dito is a number. And yung m at m are exponents. So, kapag meron tayong situation na ganito, meaning we are multiplying numbers which have the same base but different exponent, we can simply copy the base and then add its exponent. So let's try answering para mas maintindihan po natin yung theorem. So we have here 5 raised to 2 times 5 raised to 1. Ano yung gagawin? Copy the base and then add the exponents. So 2 plus 1 is okay, 3. Very good. So we have here 5 raised to 3. But we can still simplify 5 raised to 3. Paano po yan? We just need to multiply 5 by itself 3 times. So 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 125. Very good. Now, let's have another example. What if we have a variable instead of a number? So, y raised to 4 times y raised to 5. Again, yung ginawa natin dito, copy the base, and then add the exponents. So, copy yung y, and then simply add 4 plus 5. Then, we have here y is to 9, or y raised to 9.